How to iron the pants or trouser. First to iron is the inner side. Yung unang plansyahin natin is the zipper fly. Yung tela na pinagtatahian ng zipper. Hindi po yung mismong zipper. Next step is iron the waistline. Paikot lang po siya. Then iron the buttocks, yung sa bandang puwetan. Pasok lang po siya sa triangular edge of the iron board. Next is isa-isahin pong plansyahin yung mga bulsa ng pants. Then after iron the inner side, baliktarin po natin siya. And let's iron the outer side. Iron the zipper fly, the waistline going down to the pocket. Make sure na na-flatten po yung pocket para hindi po siya bumakat. Pag nasa likod, iangat lang po yung bulsa, then plansyahin. Next is pair the two legs. Then fold the top leg and iron the bottom leg. Then plansyahin po yung kabilang side. To iron the other side, fold the iron leg and iron the other folded leg. And babalik na rin po natin and iron the kabilang side. Place at the top of the ironing board and then get the hanger. Pag nakahang na po siya, kailangan pong mahaba yung isang laylayan kasi hilain niya ito. That's the procedure how to iron pants or trouser. Thank you and God bless.